Hello everyone. So today we will going to present our sentiment data analysis. Before that, I would like to introduce my team member. The first one is Kevin Pratama with the last digit name 009, and there is Putu Nadia Prameswari with the last digit name 010, Putu Melianti Eka Maharani with the last digit name 053, and Amelia Rizky Ramadana Pujianto with the last digit name 055. Before we show you the data, we would like to tell you the background of sentiment analysis on food and beverage review on restaurant. So sentiment analysis is the process of analyzing text to determine the sentiment or emotion contained within it. In this context, the analysis is used to understand how customers rate food and beverage at restaurants based on their reviews. The purpose of this research is to analyze the sentiment of various customer reviews on food and beverage, also drinks, which are then categorized into sentiment classes such as very negative, negative, neutral, positive, and very positive data is collected from customer reviews, including vegetarian food, meat dishes, desserts, and beverage. The sentiment categorized are explained with examples. For instance, very negative reviews reflect deep dissatisfaction and usually contain sharp criticism, while very positive reviews highly praise the food or beverage. The result of the sentiment analysis provide valuable insight into customer perceptions, which can be used by restaurants to improve the quality of their services based on customer feedbacks. Now we will going to show you the data set and the detail will be explained by my friends.
Okay, so for the data set here, uh, we are using a data set named Data Mining Jaya. So in our data set, there are 400 data, and with it, there are the reviews and the sentiment for each review. Here, I will give you the some example for every sentiment. There are very negative with the review. The food was cold and tasteless. Negative. Service was low, but food was decent. Neutral. Average experience. Nothing special. Positive. The pizza was delicious and fresh. And they are very positive. Absolutely love the dessert here. Um, these are evenly spread between the sentiment. And for the next, we are going to demo and test the sentiment.
Okay, thank you for the time. Before I start the demonstration, I'm really sorry because I can open the cam because my laptop is didn't have a camera. So now we will um, demo the project. So before I already um, try to train the data. Now we will um, start from the beginning. The first is we make a folder datasets and the models. The datasets is for we upload the data mining Jaya um, datasets uh, .csv and then make sure uh, the dataset is uploaded and then we um, make sure the Google Colab. Oh yeah, we use Google Colab to train the data and then to make a sentiment analysis. First, we pip install Torch in here to make sure the Torch is uh, already in this Google Colab, and then skit it skit learn, and then the pandas, transformers, and the sentences piece. And they all already in here, so we can move to the code. This code is we use from Pak Teguh, Pak Teguh GitHub. There is import pandas, and then there is scalar model, transformers, and TensorFlow. And we use the Albert pre-trained model in this project, and we um, use data mining Jaya as the data sets. Epoch uh, Epoch is the uh, for train the data. I use 30 30 iteration, and batch is 32, and model path is food sentiment review 10, 12, 20, 24. So after we train the data, this sentiment will be appear in the models folder, and file path is the code is read the dataset from datasets folder and the data mining Jaya CSV. So next is the label mapping. So we use a six category of sentiment. First is very positive, very negative, mixed, positive, negative, and neutral. Then we use the prediction model is not worth the money. Is this is a very negative or negative. All delicious is very positive or positive. Not enjoyable is very negative or negative. So we hope the result is very negative, very positive, and very negative. Uh, Now we try to run and train the dataset. The loss is 1.79 etc., and the accuracy is 55%, and the result predict sentiment is neutral, neutral, neutral. It's all wrong. I don't know why. Every time I run this, I train this data, the result different. So, like Pak Teguh said, is hoki-hokian. We got the machine is smart or not smart. Uh, and then for reduce the time of train the data, I change the runtime type to T for GPU. Before is CPU, and if we use the CPU, the training time for training the data uh, is so long. Uh, Maybe that's all from the training the data. For the next presentation will be presented by my friend.
Okay, after we pre-train the data before, so next we move to the next code. So this code is designed to load the pre-trained Albert model for sentiment classification, as my friend said before. This code is used to tokenize input text, and it is also predict the sentiment of the input text using the model. And on this code, there's also output the predict sentiment label has human real label like positive, negative, neutral, mixed, or very negative and very positive. And on the code, there's also label mapping. So this is using to map the sentiment classes to numeric labels. The model predict a numeric value which is then the map back to its corresponding sentiment label. And there is also model path. So this is used to load the weights from a fine-tuned model stored locally at the model path. These weights are essential for the model to make the prediction. So this model, we get it from the pre-trained process. And the next, there is new text. So this is the input text whose sentiments will be predicted. And next, there is new input IDs. So this numeric ID is representing the tokenized text, and the new underscore attention underscore max is specify which tokens are meaningful and which are padding. And the last, we put that the print F prediction sentiment to print the predict sentiment for the input text. After that, we can run it and see the result of the sentiment from the input text that we defined before. And from this result, there is neutral and mixed for the recommend displays, and I don't like it. There is wrong for the result, but back again to the Pak Teguh said before, the result will be randomly and different every week training the data. Okay, that's all about my sentiment analysis. The time will give me back to the moderator.
Okay, so that's all about our sentiment data analysis presentation. Thank you for paying attention. Bye bye.